Good afternoon. I am here to present a product called Akash Bani, which has been developed by IIT Kharagpur in close collaboration with Indian Institute of Cerebral Palsy, and is being used by neuromotor disordered children as well as speech impaired children at multiple schools. The system is tablet. It can run on tablets or on Android phones, and it is essentially a voice output communication aid. It will have icons and which can be programmed, which can be selected by the parents for the child, and there is a library of different voices corresponding to every icons and messages, and those can be automatically connected to each of those icons. So the child can carry this tablet or the phone, and whenever he wants to communicate, he just presses on that particular icon and the message is spoken out. And this, now remember that it is for not only for the speech impaired children, but also for the children with cerebral palsy. So those who are having cerebral palsy at a higher level of difficulty, they do not have the ability to select the icon and put the finger on them. For them, we have got some special access mechanisms, the one that I have got with me here, special switches on which they can thumb with the leg or with the hand, and thereby, there on the picture you are seeing two, here I am showing one, by which they can move the icons and select the icon that they want to communicate about. And so it is basically for the speech impaired children as well as for those with cerebral palsy. An equivalent of this costs around $700, and this whole software costs, Akash Bani costs 1,500 rupees, plus you can take 500 rupees for this indigenous switch made in India, and equivalent of this costs $50 if imported. Now this has been deployed. Here is a small snapshot of how this is being used. And so it is being used by children at Indian Institute of Cerebral Palsy. We'll show it soon here. What happened? The video is not working? So next.
চল তাড়াতাড়ি ক্লাসরুমে যাই, বেল পড়ে গেছে।
So this is just a demo that the child has selected a particular icon.
এই পাতায় লিখিস না, ভালো করে ইনস্ট্রাকশনটা দেখে নে।
That is being spoken out, and
মা, স্কুল ড্রেসটা কি আয়রন করা আছে?
So you can see that the one that is being highlighted is being selected by this, and it can be in any Indian language, obviously.
কাল সকলে স্কুলে যাব, আমাদের ছুটি শেষ।
One very interesting experiment that we could do with this, that some speech impaired children for inclusive education want to recite poetry because their class
এই তোর কম্পাসটা একটু দে না।
So if they want in the poetry class, they can get it recorded and they can also play it. Now here you can see that Akash Bani is being used by children in a school, where you can see that there are different categories of children. Some are speech impaired. The one on the left is using Akash Bani to answer questions. So when the teacher asks some question, then when the teacher asks the questions, those who are voiced can utter their answers. But the person, this child, who is not speech enabled, will just be responding by pressing on the choice of answer. And the teacher obviously applauds him. And thereby, different categories of children can be empowered to be in the inclusive classroom. So, and as I said, this is a result of, many of you are mentioning, of a collaboration, and it is a bottom-up. We first, you can see that, yeah. So he has answered using this Akash Bani, and this requirement was not in our brain. We had the idea, we went to Indian Institute of Cerebral Palsy to see what they need, and the specifications were derived from them. And about the scalability, this system is directly available, and it is not left at the laboratory of IIT Kharagpur. It has been transferred to Society of Natural Language Technology Research, and it is being given to anybody who needs it. They can either download or they can have it installed in their own device. Thank you very much.
Wonderful, Professor. I'm sure there are questions.